Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile with a PS4 controller on your iPhone. First, ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on. Next, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the PlayStation button and the share button for about 3 seconds until the light bar flashes. Finally, open your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and select DualShock 4 wireless controller from the list of available devices. Your controller should now be successfully connected and ready for the next steps. Once your controller is connected, it's important to understand PUBG Mobile's native controller support. While the game does recognize some controllers, its official support is quite limited, primarily for navigation in menus and basic movement. You'll want to dive into the game settings to see what customization options are available for controllers. Don't expect full button remapping for every single action, as many in-game functions might still require touch input. This is a key consideration for a smooth experience. For more comprehensive control, many players explore third-party key mapping applications. These apps can allow you to assign touchscreen actions to your controller buttons, offering a more complete gameplay experience. However, it's crucial to exercise extreme caution. Using external applications to modify game input can potentially violate PUBG Mobile's terms of service, leading to risks like temporary suspensions or even permanent account bans. Always research thoroughly and understand the potential consequences before proceeding with such tools. To truly optimize your gameplay with a PS4 controller, start by fine-tuning the in-game sensitivity settings. Experiment with different values to find what feels most responsive and comfortable for your play style. Dedicate some time in the training mode to practice your movements, aiming, and shooting with the new control scheme. Additionally, consider investing in a phone mount that attaches your iPhone directly to your PS4 controller. This can significantly enhance comfort and provide a more immersive, console-like gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.